So we're gonna make a salad. And it's gonna be an epic salad. And I'm gonna take you with me and show you what I'm gonna be doing to prepare this salad. All right, let's go. Okay, so we got some sun-dried tomatoes here. We've got some regular tomatoes. We've got flax. We've got hemp seeds. Some regular tomatoes, dates, onion, garlic, and lime. We're gonna put it all in the blender. So I think the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some flax. What the hell did that thing? Oh, here it is. Okay. So is there a little blender? We're gonna grab. I have no idea. The measurements are. Don't ask. Just don't bloody ask. Okay. I have no idea what's going on. 2, 3.
China.
Sure. We'll go 3, and then we're gonna add some of the hemp seeds in after. Okay. Put that on the blender. No, this is not a Vitamix. It's just a blend tech, but does the job, man. All right, so bring that back over here now. So we're gonna add some sun-dried tomatoes to this mix.
Bap. Bap.
Whole bunch of sun-dried tomatoes. We're gonna make this nice and rich tasting. Now the company that I've got coming over, they're of conventional diet, so we're gonna make this as just ravishing and wonderful as humanly possible. Okay, that's it. Next, we gotta throw in some dates in there, so let's throw in those dates. Gonna add some garlic as well. Okay, great. Sure, some tomato. Yep. Throw that in there. Ah, a date. I forgot that. Oh yeah, we're gonna add some lime juice. Okay, that does it for lime. Okay, so now we'll do about this. Onion. Probably only want to use 1/4 of an onion, so we're not going to use this. Get rid of that. This. Get rid of the center portion. We don't want that. Okay. Don't need to chop this in any particular way. It's just going in the blender. Oh, we're gonna add some hemp seeds as well. It's gonna be a nice and thick and wonderful dressing. Now I don't have any basil.
Uppercut.
It would have been good to add some basil, but I have some dehydrated basil, and we're just going to use dehydrated basil, and that'll be the seasoning. I'm not going to add all of the hemp seeds I poured out there. It looks pretty good. Oh, that's thick. All right. Yeah, probably just needs a bit more water. Okay, instead of add more water, we're just going to add another tomato. See if that helps out. This knife is incredibly dull, so bear with me. Okay, like that. Presto, look at that. That's looking good. That is looking good. All right, moment of truth. Let's do this little taste test.
1. And here we go.
A jelly donut?
I'll put a whipping on their ass so fast, boy.
The great Oz has spoken.
What's yours, Scoop?
2.
Why are you good? Who the fuck said that?
Stay f***ing hard. Ready? Let's go.
Are you shook up? Are you nervous? Jesus H. Rock.
Bonus.
You ugly.
That is fantastic.
I'll be watching you.
Ooh, Ooh, that's rich. All right. Well, let's add this to our lettuce, and so we'll be ready to go. Now, I kind of like a thick dressing for my salads. I don't know, something about the thicker dressing just tends to be a bit more satisfying. But anyway, coming over to my place tonight, so they're gonna get what I feel is the best. Now, as I'm stirring this, okay, I'll tell you what I put in this salad, the actual substance here. So we've got chunks of zucchini. We've got a whole bunch of field greens. We've got some onion. We have peppers, and we have celery. That's, I think that's it. So celery, field greens, peppers, zucchini, and that's it. Now, you cannot tell me that this isn't looking like $1,000,000 freaking bucks right now. Look at that. The only difficulty, and I always stress this because I like using it, I like using the ingredient in a salad, but the only difficulty with a salad like this is if you are using sun-dried tomatoes, they're so hard to find. And I've mentioned that every time I do a recipe video that I use sun-dried tomatoes. They're hard to find. So you have to look, because most sun-dried tomatoes will come with either salt or sulfites added. You don't want that. When you do find them, it's a treat because you can make these incredible dressings and recipes with them. So once they all get here, then hopefully they're willing to give this a taste. And there it is, ladies and gents. Massive power salad. I hope they like it. All right. If you like videos like this, then subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next one. All right. Enjoy, guys. Be healthy. Stay safe. God bless.